In the given system of equations, C is a constant. The system has two distinct real solutions. Which of the following could be the value of C? We can use Desmos to solve this problem. Okay, let me take these two equations in Desmos. Okay, let me type the first equation, that is y equals to x negative c. And the second one is y equals to negative 6 times x negative 5 the whole square. Okay, here let's click on C to get the slider to adjust the values for C. Okay, according to the given information, the two graphs must intersect at two different points because the system has two distinct real solutions. Okay, here we have C equals to 1 in Desmos. In that case, the graphs of two equations do not intersect. Okay, now let me use the slider to adjust the value for C. Okay, here when C is close to 5, the two graphs intersect at only one point. So then we'll have only one real solution for the given system. But according to the information, we must have two distinct real solutions. Okay, now let me increase the value of C. Okay, here when I take C equals to greater than 5, the two graphs intersect in 2 points. That is, we have two distinct real solutions for the given system. Okay, here when I go over the given answer choices, in answer choice D, we have 7. This is a value greater than 5. So answer choice D must be correct. Anyways, let's get the value of the fraction that we have in answer choice C. Okay, now let me get the value in Desmos. It is 119 divided by 24. Okay, so the value of the fraction in answer choice C is 4.95 approximately. So here for this value already we have seen that two graphs intersect at only one point. So when C is greater than 5, the graphs of the given two equations intersect at 2 points. Then the given system has two distinct real solutions. Only in answer choice D we have the value greater than 5. So 7 could be the value of C. The correct answer choice for this question is D.